Well, we might be out in the sticks again, Blister, but there's always time for a sell.
What are you trying to sell?
This. What we're doing. We could be anywhere and in any form, and we could talk about your business or a topic you need to put across.
Political?
Nah, stay away from politics, all bullshit and lies. What people need is a laugh. That's what we can bring at Juniper One. The story of your product with no limit to its potential.
You brought me all the way out here just to tell me this?
Yes. It's a nice way to show people what we can make at the drop of a hat. By the way, I notice you've changed your toenails. New color?
No, that's just turd dust settling on the tootsies. I walked through a paddock of cows on the way here, and every now and then you step in that soft mushy plop and you go, oh shit.
Well, I'm gonna start on a few projects, drink some more cups of tea, so be the best you can be and you enjoy your day. Oh, by the way, have you sorted out the shitheads at work yet? Have you learned to tune out?
That's my 1 day a week off. That's when I switch off, tune down and drop out. But no sooner has the electric blanket gone off than the rooster is crowing at the break of dawn. My ass is on the treadmill of life. So I need a laugh. Well, I'll see you again.
You will. Bye for now.